Number 6, we have negative 10 over 4y plus 1, then plus 3 is equal to y. So we want to solve this equation where the body of our work does not have a fraction in it. So to do so, we need to first find the LCD. And the LCD is 4y plus 1 because we only have one fraction. So we're going to, now because there's a variable in the denominator, we need to set the restriction. What is that rule? What number cannot be placed in that denominator? So we're going to take the LCD, set it equal to 0, and we're going to solve. So 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Subtract 1 to both sides. Then we're going to divide by 4. Therefore, y cannot be 1/4, negative 1/4. We do not want to have that as a solution. So next, we're going to not attempt, but to solve. We're going to multiply all terms on both sides by the LCD. And then let's look at the first term. The 4y plus 1, ones cancel out. We have negative 10 plus, take this 3, distribute that to the 4y and to the 1. So you're saying 12y plus 3, we're going to distribute, and then equals 2. And we're going to do the same thing. We have y times 4y plus 1. We're going to distribute. We have 4y squared plus y. Left-hand side, combine like terms. We have negative 7 plus 12y is equal to 4y squared plus y. And then let's bring all of our terms together. We're going to solve this equation by factoring. So I'm going to add 7 to both sides. I'm going to subtract the 12y to the y that's on the right side. And we have 0 is equal to 4y squared minus 11y plus 7. And then we're going to solve, here again, solve this equation by factoring. And you would use the slide and divide method. So I'm going to, if you want to pause this video and factor the y squared minus 11y plus 7, factor that without seeing the actual factors, go ahead and do so. If not, I'm not going to show that slide and divide method. We have a wealth of videos covering that section. So let's go ahead and factor. We have 4y and y, and then this is going to be a 7. That's going to be a 1. We have a minus sign. So if we FOIL 4y squared minus 4y minus 7y, then plus 7. So these are the factors to this trinomial. Using the zero product rule, set each factor equal to 0. So 4y minus 7 equals to 0. Therefore, we're going to add 7 to both sides. Then we're going to divide by 4. And then the last equation, we're going to add 1 to both sides. So we already know what y cannot be, and we do not have that as the solution. Therefore, our answer for example 6 is y is equal to 1, y is equal to 7 over 4.